I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making PB Max. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. The other day, I was reminded of a candy bar that came out in 1989 called PB Max, produced by Mars Incorporated. It was a whole grain cookie topped with peanut butter and whole grain bits, then dipped in milk chocolate. And Mars didn't skip on the peanut butter either, hence the name PB Max. It sold pretty well, but was discontinued after only a few years. No one's sure why, but rumor has it that the owner of the company didn't like peanut butter. But what do we do here in the candy kitchen when something we want isn't available? By gosh, we make it ourselves. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own PB Max, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used some Vita golden oat breakfast biscuits, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of corn syrup, and 11 ounces of milk chocolate. I'm also using a mixing bowl, a cutting board, a sheet of SilPat, a spatula, a spreader, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. PB Max were square, so I'm going to cut the biscuits in half. You can use the paper cutter method, the lumberjack, or the guillotine. Take some more of the biscuits and cut them into bits, large, small, or otherwise. In a mixing bowl, add the peanut butter, powdered sugar, salt, and corn syrup. Mix until everything is combined. Spread a generous amount of the peanut butter mixture on the biscuits. Remember, this is PB Max. Press some bits into the peanut butter. Put them in the refrigerator for about half an hour to let the peanut butter firm up. Melt or temper the chocolate, then dip a bar into the chocolate, let the excess drain, then return it to the cutting board. Repeat with the remaining bars, then leave them on the counter to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slanchiva. First off, full transparency here. I don't remember what a PB Max tasted like, so I don't know how close we got here, but this is awesome. The biscuits provide a really nice crunch, which amplifies the creaminess of the peanut butter filling. And I'm sure you know how well chocolate and peanut butter go together, but that earthy, oaty flavor adds a lovely layer that just really sets this bar apart from the rest. You may have fond memories of PB Max, or it may have never crossed your radar. Either way, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. 1/2 teaspoon. What?